This week, Samsung is expanding the availability of the initial software update for its Galaxy S24 series, following its recent launch in South Korea. The update is now rolling out in various European countries with firmware version S92XBXXU1XB5, weighing in at 746.5 megabytes. It is expected to reach more markets in the coming days. This update addresses several issues reported by customers regarding the out-of-the-box experience. One significant improvement concerns the display vividness of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Users can now adjust the vividness of on-screen content by toggling between natural and vivid display colors. Initially, the vivid setting was as dull as the natural setting, but with this update, users can customize the vibrancy through a new vividness option in the display settings. Furthermore, Samsung has made notable enhancements to the camera experience. Improvements include better image quality in scenes with bright light sources behind subjects, improved indoor exposure, enhanced white balance and saturation in night mode photos, and more appealing colors in food mode pictures. Some enhancements are exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, such as increased text clarity at high zoom levels and clearer videos from the rear-facing cameras. Additionally, Samsung has boosted the sharpness and details in photos of human subjects taken with the Ultra model. To download the update for your Galaxy S24 series phone, navigate to the Settings app, select Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Alternatively, users can visit Samsung's firmware library to download the latest firmware for their specific model and country, and install it manually using a Windows PC. Critics have noted the Galaxy S24 series for its subdued display, a departure from previous Samsung models known for vibrant screens. Samsung prioritized natural color reproduction with the introduction of the adaptive color tone feature. However, users desired punchier colors and criticized the limited options. Responding to feedback, Samsung added a vividness adjustment slider in a software update, initially released in South Korea. Videos on Twitter/X show improvements, though the full extent remains uncertain. Further enhancements are expected as users await the update's global rollout. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.